What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of x cubed plus y cubed equals to 3xy squared. I need to use implicit differentiation in order to find the derivative of this expression. The derivative of x cubed is going to be 3x squared, and derivative of y cubed is going to be 3y squared times dy over dx. That's going to be equal to 3 times. Here we have xy squared. We need to use product rule. It's going to be derivative of x, which is 1 times y squared, plus x times derivative of y squared, which is 2y dy over dx. Then we need to rearrange it and simplify it. It's going to be 3y squared dy over dx. 3y squared plus 6xy dy over dx. Then we have these two. We move it on the left hand side, so it's going to be 3y squared dy over dx minus 6xy dy over dx equals to 3y squared minus 3x squared. Then you factor dy over dx. It's going to be 3y squared minus 6xy equals to 3y squared minus 3x squared. Dy over dx will be 3y squared minus 3x squared divided by 3y squared minus 6xy. I can divide both sides, numerator and denominator, by 3, so it's going to be y squared minus x squared divided by y squared minus 2xy. So that's going to be the final answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.